Welcome to another in my Quilt Repair Tidbits series. Today I'll be showing you a set of lovely mosaic or grandmother's flower garden quilt blocks that contain both vintage and antique fabrics. I'm showing these blocks to help announce that I'll be teaching a virtual quilt repair and care workshop in January and February 2024. One thing I'll be talking about is learning how to tell the age of fabrics in old quilts, the better to find good repair fabrics for patching. These blocks have a secret key in their age, a secret key to their age, and so they're very fun. All the info about the workshop is on my website. The link for that is in the box below the video, and you can email me with the address below also, or write to me here if you have any questions about the workshop. I'm really happy to be offering this workshop again. There are so many quilts out there that have problems and rips and tears and are in need of someone to help pull them back together and make them happy and whole again. I'm hoping to inspire many more quilters to help these quilts last into future generations. Here are the mosaic or grandmother's flower garden blocks. The fabrics in the center and inner ring date to the third quarter of the 1800s. The outer ring, though, was mysterious. The print actually reminds me more of a maternity dress that I made in 1990, and nothing at all like the 1860s to 1870 prints in the centers. The blocks were English paper pieced, and the outer ring still includes the paper hexagons. Many of them were cut from a newspaper. There are papers that give fun glimpses of life at the time these hexes were pieced. My mother adored Maurice Chevalier, for example. And they placed the blocks, at least when the final ring was made, in Chicago. Also notice the tiny and neat whip stitches that join the hexes. Several of the papers, like this one, refer to events in 1932, which handily dates the curious outer ring. And the fabrics, they are glorious. The delicate etching of the prints here is just wonderful. And I love this pairing of tomato soup red with a grayed medium blue. You can see lots more photos of these blocks on my blog. The link to that is in the information box below the video. So, these blocks have had two phases of construction over the course of the last 150 years or so, and still, no one has joined them together. And I still think that the outer print looks more modern than what the newspapers are telling me. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to spend some good time with you in January and February having more fun with old fabrics and old quilts.